In this video we discuss all about Waqf Board. Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. The Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 was passed in the Lok Sabha at past midnight at about 2 am. The bill amends the Waqf Act, 1995. The bill repeals the Mussalman Waqf Act, 1923. Journey of the bill: the 8th of August 24. The Waqf Amendment Bill, -2024, was introduced in the Lok Sabha. The bill proposed significant changes to the Waqf Act, 1995. After criticism sent the Joint Parliamentary Committee, JPC, for wider scrutiny, the 30th of January 25 JPC accepted the bill with certain changes. It was reintroduced in the Lok Sabha as the Ummeed Bill. Now, understand what is Waqf. It is a permanent dedication by any person, of any movable or immovable property for any purpose recognized by the Muslim law as pious, religious or charitable. Once a property is designated as Waqf, it cannot be reclaimed or altered by the donor. A Waqf can be established through a written deed, legal instrument, or orally. Now comes what is the need for amendment. In 2013, the Waqf law was drastically amended, or 123 high-profile properties in the Lutyens zone of Delhi were allocated to Waqf. Waqf owns land worth lakhs of crores of rupees. Its annual income is only 126 crore, raising concerns about mismanagement and misuse. The bill aims to establish a transparent audit system for Waqf properties. Now comes finally highlights of the bill. The survey commissioner has been replaced by the collector, granting him powers to conduct surveys of Waqf properties. Limits creation of Waqf to only people professing Islam for at least 5 years. The person must own the property being declared as Waqf or removes Waqf by user. Waqf cannot acquire private property without ownership. Government property identified as Waqf will cease to be so. It is the collector who will determine the ownership. Removes the requirement for the MPS, former judges, and eminent persons appointed to the Waqf Council to be Muslim. Rather mandates that 2 members must be non-Muslims. Changes the composition of tribunal by removing expert in Muslim law. A tribunal's orders may be appealed in the High Court within 90 days. Empowers the state government to nominate one_person_ from the groups to the Waqf board or removes the election. Women and children must receive their rightful inheritance before any property is declared as Waqf. Prohibits the establishment of Waqf on lands falling under the purview of Schedule V and Schedule V belonging to ASI or tribals. Mutawalis, Waqf property managers, to register all property details on a centralized portal within 6 months. Institutions generating an annual income of over rupees 1 lakh will undergo government-mandated audits to ensure financial transparency. Thank you for watching.